Good day everybody. Today we're looking at Wurth Zebra hose clamps. The band is made of ferik steel and the set screw is of mild steel with zinc plating on it. The nice thing about the Wurth hose clamps is all the sides is been bent up so it does not cut into your pipe. Also, the setting here is been pressed and it's not cut out, so it will not cut into your hose pipe. All of them, from the small one to the big one, all uses a 7mm across flats. Now you can either use a flat screwdriver or a Phillips or a Star, or my favorite, the Flexi drive number 7. And there's a sample here. I've put it on hose pipe here, and as you can see, this section is not moving. You can tighten it, and for the specific torque tensioning on your hose clamps, please consult the Wurth technical specs on the website.